Alright, so our third example with writing our equations, it's similar, but it takes it a step further. So we're given the information if f of 1 equals -6 and f of -3 equals 2. Right there, that's enough information for us to write an equation of the line. So it says if that information is true, then find f of 30 and f of -35. So if we have to find these values, that means we need to know what the equation is for this line. And that's why they gave us this initial information. We can use that to write the equation, and once we have our equation, then we can answer this question. So we're going to start the problem out the same way. We're going to write the equation of the line. So get your ordered pairs. Remember, that's coming from the input and the output, or the x and the y of function notation. We need to find our slope. So our slope is equal to y2 minus a y1 becomes plus 6, x2 minus x1, 8 over -4, which is equal to -2. So then we take our slope and we pair it with our first point, and we can go ahead and write our equation in point-slope form. Y minus a -6 becomes plus 6 equals -2 times x minus 1. So y plus 6 equals, distribute that slope, -2x plus 2, became plus because of the negative times the negative. And then just keep solving for y, so subtract 6, so we have y equals -2x minus 4. But again, we started with function notation, so we're going to say f of x equals -2x minus 4. Alright, this is what we're going to use to go back up to the original question and answer what they actually were asking. So our function is, I'll go ahead and rewrite it, f of x equals -2x minus 4. And the first thing they want us to find is f of 30. So that means just plug 30 into the x's of our function. -2 times 30 minus 4. So that's -60 minus 4, which gives us -64. So f of 30 is equal to -64. Then we want to find f of -35. So that means plug a -35 in for the x. So -2 times -35 minus 4. Positive 70 minus 4, which gives you 66. So f of 30 is equal to 66. And these two are answering the questions that they asked.